In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link WhatsApp to Google Sites in just 5 minutes. This easy guide is perfect if you're looking to integrate this popular messaging app directly into your website for better communication with your audience. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Elfsight, a platform known for its versatile range of widgets to enhance your website's functionality. Once there, you'll want to click on the Catalog section. This is where you can browse a variety of widgets that Elfsight offers. Next, in the search bar provided, type in WhatsApp. This will help refine your search and take you straight to the related widgets without having to sift through countless others. Once the results are displayed, look for the option titled WhatsApp Chat and click on it. With the WhatsApp Chat widget now in focus, your next task is to select a template. Browse through the available designs to find one that best suits your website's aesthetic and needs. After deciding which template to use, click on Continue with this template. Now it's time to add your personal touch. You'll need to type in your WhatsApp number. It's crucial that this is filled out correctly, as this is the primary means by which your users will connect with you via WhatsApp. Once your number is securely in place, go ahead and click the Publish button. Elfsight offers different plans, but for this tutorial we're going to proceed with the free option, so click on Select under the free plan. It's a great starting point, especially if you're testing this feature or working on a limited budget. A successful selection should lead you to the next step, which involves clicking on Copy Code. What you're essentially doing here is obtaining a snippet of code that will be used later on to integrate the widget into your Google site. With your code now copied, it's time to switch over to your Google site. Navigate to where you want to embed this feature and click on Embed. Following that, select Embed Code to provide you a box where you can paste the copied code. Once pasted, click on Next to proceed to the final steps. You're nearly there. All that's left is to click Insert. Doing so will incorporate the WhatsApp widget straight into your Google site, finalizing the integration process. And there you have it, a seamless way to link WhatsApp to your Google site, enhancing its interactivity and usability. Remember, integrating WhatsApp can significantly improve your engagement rates by offering a direct and personal way for visitors to reach you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.